Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Figma to Wix Studio plugin tutorial. So the first thing that we should do is we have to navigate or log into our Figma account. And then of course, we are going to open our template. So as of the moment, I'm using this template from Figma as well. Okay, and then we are going to use this and import this to our Wix site. Okay, so right here I have my Wix account as well, and for this example I am going to create a new site. So we're going to start with a studio blank canvas for this one, but of course you can also use your existing sites if you want to. Okay, so now that I have this site open, what am I going to do next is to go back to Figma. Okay, so let me just navigate to my Figma account again. So this one right here. Okay, so let me just arrange the tabs. And then the next thing you should do is to click on this action button. And the next one is you have to click on the plugins and widgets. And then make sure using the search bar, you are going to type out Figma to Wix Studio. Okay, next is we are going to set up this plugin. Okay, so the first thing that we should do is we are going to go back to our Wix site. And then right here, you just have to click on this icon at the very top left and then go to the tools and then select import from Figma. That's right. And then we are going to paste here the link of our Figma website. So, or our Figma design. And then right here, just click on the share button at the top right of your screen. And then click on the copy link. And then you'd be able to see this link copied option. Now go back to Wix Studio and then paste here the link that you have copied from your Figma design. Next, just have to simply click on connect. That's right. And the next one is your file is connected. So go to Figma and start exporting with the Wix Studio. So the next thing that you should do is to click on the setup export. Okay, so you can click on this one. And what I have shown you earlier is to copy the link and paste it on your Wix Studio. So we're already done with that part. Now we can start exporting. So just click on the start export option. Okay, so let me just arrange this one. So you must select the first frame and then click on start export and then choose your starting point. So we can export styles first, export frame, or use wireframes. So for the first step, I'm going to export styles first. Then here we have the typography, our colors, and then next one is export styles. Okay, so now let's go back to Wix, and right here we just have to refresh it. So just click on the refresh button, and then once you've done that, you'll be able to see your styles and colors. So if there are fonts or elements missing, so all you have to do is to upload them manually. Okay, so you must remember that one. And then going back here is we are going to adjust the dimensions of this design. Okay, so you can find the dimension right here at the right side. Then you have to go back to Wix, and then right here at the top center you'll be able to see here the pics. So we have to adjust this one as well, and then click on apply. Okay, the next thing that we should do now is to click on the apply styles to site. But before that, let me just show you how you can upload your own font. So just simply click on the upload fonts option after that, and right here you just have to select continue without fonts. Okay, so let me just click on it again, continue without fonts. So once done, you'd be able to see here now all of your styles. Then the next thing that we are going to export from Figma, okay, is the frames. So to do that, let us now go back to Figma, and as you can see right here, we have the typography, the colors, and more. So you just have to do the same, just click on the frame once again. Okay, so this one, and then click on the plugins and then click on Figma to Wix Studio. Okay, so I'm just going to skip this part, and then now just click on export frame. Okay, so next thing is to click on the export frame option and then go back to Wix Studio. So right here, just click on the Figma icon, so this one right here, and then click on refresh import. And once you've done that, you'd be able to see here now the frames or the design that we have exported from Figma. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds after that, and you'd be able to see here now the designs that you have imported. Okay, so since I think the size or the width of our template from Figma is not correct, so we are going to change that later on. Okay, so that's one of the very important thing here if you are to import template from Figma to your Wix website, is you have to make sure that the size is the same. Okay, so you just have to go right here and then change the size of your website. Okay, so now that you're here, we can now customize this one. So let me just go back to Figma first and try to see here the layout. So we have this dimensions right here, so you just have to follow your dimensions, go back here, and then just have to adjust it. Okay, so now that we have successfully added this template to our Wix website, we can now add elements if we want to. So just click on the add elements option, so we can add here image, we can also add tags and more. Okay, so let me just add the added template as well. So you just have to do the same for the second frame. Just click on the second frame, and then after that, you will then just have to click on export frame. Okay, then going back to Wix, just click on the Figma icon right here, and then click on add to site. Okay, so after clicking on add to site, be able to see here now the two different template or the two different pages that we have added from Figma. So if you want to put this frames together in one page, so just have to adjust it, so you'd be able to see here the add new page option at the very bottom. So adding Figma template to Wix website. So a Figma template can ensure that design elements like colors, fonts, and layouts remain consistent across the site. And this consistency strengthens your brand's visual identity and makes for a polished look. Next is Figma's collaborative design features let your teams make real-time edits and comments, allowing designers, developers, and stakeholders to refine the design before applying it to the Wix site, of course. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.